Welcome to Take 5 with the Regional Chamber. I'm Kim Calvert. Every year, business growth and entrepreneurship are celebrated through Case Western Reserve University's Weatherhead 100 Award. The program, in its 26th year, recognizes Northeast Ohio's fastest growing companies. This year's recipients were honored based on their revenues from 2008 to 2012. We're proud to say that two of our members made the latest Weatherhead 100 list, and in this edition of Take 5, we'll meet both of those companies, Drake Manufacturing and Kravitz Deli. We first visited Kravitz, and Chelsea Miller tells us more about the 75-year-old deli in Liberty.
Kravitz Deli is a part of the fabric of the Mahoning Valley. Originally opening in 1939 as a way to survive the Depression, the Jewish deli has had to expand and diversify to thrive in today's market.
We're the Jewish deli in a Jewish community that has shrunk from 10,000 people to 1,500. Because of that, we really had to reach out to a lot of the other ethnic groups and a lot of the other groups in the valley. In fact, we call ourselves multicultural now.
Kravitz's biggest sellers are corned beef, Reubens, and chicken soup, but they also cater the Polish Festival, hold an Oktoberfest celebration, and their busiest day of the year is St. Patrick's Day. That diversity, along with a catering operation, has allowed the business to grow.
We're changing the name of our catering company to Inspired Catering by Kravitz, so people know that we'll do sushi and hoisin and glazed salmon, as well as corned beef.
Their growth helped make them eligible for the Case Western Reserve University's Weatherhead 100 Award. Jack Kravitz is a graduate of Case Western, so when he saw the information for the award, he jumped at the chance to apply.
And you had to have certain criteria to make their list. You've had to have been in business for at least 5 years. Well, we blew that out of the water. You had to employ at least 5 people. Well, we made all the criteria. Our sales are strong enough. We'll hit $1.3 million in sales this year. And we grew substantially. I think it was 78% since 2009.
Jack expects their growth to continue, led by their diverse offerings and their catering business. For Take 5 with the Regional Chamber, I'm Chelsea Miller.
Next, we take you to Drake Manufacturing. The Warren Company has been around since 1973, and Talia Hagler tells us how its international expansion helped the business grow.
Drake Manufacturing is a true global company with a presence in countries in North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. But it wasn't always like that.
John Drake in 1972 left Packard Electric, went out on his own and started making special machines out of his garage basement, and then moved to this building in 1974 and grew, and we bought it from him in 2007. He had been international, but we really, seeing the recession coming, really took it international, totally international, and that's been really the basis of our growth.
Drake Manufacturing designs, builds, and services state-of-the-art precision CNC grinding, rack milling, and gear hobbing machines. After taking some hits after 9/11 and during the recession, the company has come back stronger than ever. They've experienced incredible growth, 200% over the last 5 years, which is one of the things that made them eligible for Case Western Reserve University's Weatherhead 100 Award.
We were involved with Case in training our people and learning how to run a growing business, and they said, "Hey, you're growing, have you thought about this award?" So they prompted us that we should apply.
The company increased its workforce from 30 people in 2009 to well over 100 now. Drake is growing so fast, they're having a hard time keeping up with their demand for talented engineers.
We're now starting to recruit at all the top tier engineering schools, and we used to be able to get enough from the area, but we've outgrown the area.
Drake's growth isn't expected to slow anytime soon. The company is predicting it will double in size in the next 5 years. For Take 5 with the Regional Chamber, I'm Talia Hagler.
For more information about the Weatherhead Awards and other companies that have received the honor, visit weatherhead.case.edu/Weatherhead100. And finally, you'll want to save the date for the Chamber's annual meeting. On March 19th, we'll honor Youngstown State University head football coach Bo Pelini with the Spirit of the Valley Award, Attorney Alan Wenger of Harrington, Hoppy and Mitchell with the Spirit of the Chamber Award, and Ohio State Representative Sean O'Brien with the Political Achievement Award. Be sure to visit the calendar of events at regionalchamber.com for more information or to register. We hope you've enjoyed this edition of Take 5, and we'll see you again in a couple of weeks. With the Regional Chamber, I'm Kim Calvert.
Take 5 with the Regional Chamber is produced by Mahoning Valley Productions, where we tell your stories.